Hi, I'm Doug,
I'm Tammy.
and it's Tuesday, so it's time to get back in the kitchen.
All right, today we're going to try a new treat, something that we have never made before, but sounds yummy for us to try.
It's a nice summertime treat.
It is, and it is hot outside. It is like 98 plus humidity.
Actually, it's 102.
Oh, it went up. It did. It went up to 102. We took a picture for Doug's sister and sent that to her, and it had gone up to 102.
So what are we gonna make today?
We are gonna make a frosted lemonade using the Copycat Chick-fil-A frosted lemonade recipe.
And then we're gonna compare it to Chick-fil-A, which is we win. It's about $5.13. We're gonna see. We know it's cheaper to make at home, but we want to know if the taste is just as good.
All right, so join us. Let's give it a try. Frosted lemonade, here we go.
Yum.
For our frosted lemonade, we're gonna half the recipe. So in the description box, we will include both the recipe for a full turn of frosted lemonade and what we use for the half. For the half, we need 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, a 1/2 cup of lemons squeezed, so we've got the juice. That makes a 1/2 cup. We saved some slices of lemon for garnish. You need 3/4 of a cup of ice cold water and 3 cups of ice cream, which is about 6 scoops. All right, into the blender, we're gonna go with 1/4 of a cup of sugar and the 3/4 of a cup of ice cold water. And we're just gonna get those mixed up a bit. I feel like that should be mixed. Going in with this lemon juice, and again, give it a quick stir. And now we're gonna add 6 scoops of vanilla ice cream. It is a little bit softened, just so it will mix easily. That was a big scoop. We're just using store brown vanilla ice cream, but we got regular, not like an artisan or vanilla bean. We just got like a regular Vividly or original vanilla. To me, that looks a little thin, so I'm going to add 1 more scoop. All right, I'm just going to pour. You probably could like wet the rim and do a sugar rim if you wanted something fancy. For the same $5, we made 1 half turn of the frosted lemonade and got 2 good size helpings. We have enough stuff from that same to do this at least once or twice more. Put a little garnish on there. And so I think cost-wise, you get a lot more with making it at home, but we'll check them out and see how they taste compared to the store-bought, or at least the Chick-fil-A bought.
Okay, so this is the Chick-fil-A frosted lemonade. I guess they only had one size.
I think so.
And it was $5.13 after tax, which is a little expensive, but let's see what you think.
All right, we'll give it a try. We did grab it and bring it home. We just live a couple miles from Chick-fil-A, but I certainly get milkshakey vibes with a lemon twist. And I'm not sure I taste lemon as much as I do tartness. So it's kind of we like Chick-fil-A lemonade, and so I think it's more milkshakey to me than lemonade-y.
But I taste the strong lemonade flavor.
But it's good. I really like it.
Yeah.
And on a hot day, hey, I tell you, Central Virginia, it is July the 15th, I think, and it is 97 degrees plus humidity. So the feels like is over 100. It is hot, and this is refreshing. So,
hey, let's make our own and see if it tastes any better.
yeah, we'll see how they compare. All right.
Okay, that was easy.
It was very easy. It was
Yeah,
very quick.
simple. Yeah, and I think you get for the price, I know you get to make a lot more, I think.
I think so too. So we could have this treat for a couple of different times for
But
the.
let's compare.
All right,
See what it
let's
tastes like.
see. Cheers.
To me, it tastes almost identical.
I think
This one has a little bit more lemon juice probably than the original, but it has that exact same taste.
right. I think it is very lemony, more so than the last.
But you could put less lemon
You
in
can
it.
put less lemon or more vanilla ice cream, but honestly, I like the lemony flavor. So,
Hey, I would do this at home. We like Chick-fil-A, but this time stay at home and make it.
there you go. This is a good.
Hey, thank you for joining us today. Take a few minutes, if you would, please hit that like button, hit that share button. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a try. It doesn't cost you anything at all.
But boy, it helps us out. We are really, really striving to get those watch hours up and those subs up higher, so you can help us out a lot.
All right, thanks again for joining us.
Yeah, take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we will see you soon.
Bye-bye.